Kia ora, Amber from JB Hi-Fi here, coming to you from Microsoft HQ in Auckland, where we've been lucky enough to get a first look at the brand new Surface Pro and Surface Laptop. Two seriously smart devices that blend powerful performance, sleek design, and next-level built-in AI experiences. Let's start with the Surface Pro. This is your ultra-versatile 2-in-1 device. It's a tablet when you want freedom, and a laptop when you need to get stuff done. Now available in a 12-inch size, it's built with a vibrant PixelSense touchscreen that works beautifully with touch, voice, or the Surface Slim Pen. Perfect for writing, sketching, editing, or just scrolling through socials. Attach the new Surface Pro 12-inch keyboard and you've got a full typing setup with a comfy matte palm rest, durable wedge design, and even a Copilot key for instant access to the built-in AI assistant Copilot. It's ideal whether you're working at a desk, curled up on the couch, or out and about. That dynamic hinge keeps everything steady, and the keyboard's backlit with a customizable touchpad for extra comfort. Now let's talk performance. The new Surface Pro 12-inch is packed with Copilot Plus PC features powered by a whopping 45 trillion operations per second. That means it's not just built with powering AI in mind, but also to provide a smarter search, better multitasking, and lightning-fast creative tools. Plus, you'll get all-day battery life, up to 16 hours of video playback, so it's even built for binge-watching sessions. AI takes center stage here. Copilot Plus PCs are packed full of exclusive AI features that will save you time. Want to search your computer's memory for things you were looking at or working on in the past? That's easy. Just use real-life language to describe what you were looking at and your computer will find it, whether it was an image or text-based. How about getting help planning trips, drafting emails, editing content, or even adding AI-generated styles to your photos? It's productivity, creativity, and a personal assistant, all rolled into one. Now, if you're after a more classic laptop form factor, meet the new Surface Laptop. Now available on a 13-inch size, joining the 13.8-inch and 15-inch in the family, the Surface Laptop has a beautifully minimal design that's ultra-thin, lightweight, and super portable, while still feeling solid and premium in the hand. The PixelSense touchscreen display gives you sharp detail, bold colors, and excellent brightness, with a tall 3:2 aspect ratio that makes web browsing, document editing, and multitasking a breeze. Like the Pro, this one's no slouch in the speed department, boasting up to 23 hours of video playback. That's nearly a full day of streaming. Plus, it's got those Copilot Plus PC features built in and the same AI performance boost, so you can stay in the flow no matter what you're working on. So whether you're all about flexibility with the Surface Pro, or after a stylish everyday performer with the Surface Laptop, these new Copilot Plus PCs are ready to take your productivity and creativity to the next level. For more info, you can chat to the team at your local JB Hi-Fi, or browse the full range online at jbhifi.co.nz.